The Powerbeats Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new Powerbeats Pro earbuds. These are geared towards those that have active lifestyles, from running to working out in the gym. I will go over some features, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts on them. The link is in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a lightning cable for charging, various ear tips, and the manual. The Powerbeats Pro has 9 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. 5 minutes of charge will give you 1.5 hours of playback. Uses Bluetooth 5.0. It has button controls and also the Hey Siri function. It has lightning port for charging, and it's sweat and water resistant. Pairing is quick and easy. Inside the lid there's a sticker with instructions. Just leave the earbuds in the case and keep the lid open. You can see here on the iPhone that the pop-up window immediately shows up. Hitting the connect button will bring the next screen, which will allow you to set up the Hey Siri function. I'll just skip that for now and just click done to complete the pairing process. The case feels solid and durable and is plastic all around. The case is a bit large. On the front, you have the charge status LED for the case. And on the back, you have the lightning port for charging. The earbuds are held into place by magnets inside the case, so it's very secure. There is also a pairing button inside. The earbuds feature ear hooks and they are flexible. They can be formed into shape depending on how tight you want it wrapped outside your ears. The ear indicators are also marked inside. Each of the earbuds feature the playback button, the volume button, charging contacts, microphone, ear hooks, and interchangeable ear tips. The buttons for the volume and playback controls are easy to press and responsive. It doesn't take that much pressure. And here they are side by side. This is how they compare to the AirPods 2 case. It's definitely larger. And the Powerbeats Pro next to the Apple AirPods. The case comes in at 3 inches by 3 inches by 1.7. It weighs in at 110 grams and the earbuds come in at 21 grams. Now for a quick microphone sample. This is a test of the Powerbeats Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Call quality is good and it comes in very loud and clear. You can use the earbuds in mono, left or right side individually if you prefer. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency or disconnects. Range was also good. Here are my thoughts on the Powerbeats Pro. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. When it comes to comfort, it was fairly comfortable and the ear hooks are a good feature to have as it definitely provides the support. It stayed into place while running with no problems. Build and quality, nothing really stood out for me. For the price point that this is in, I expected a bit more. I found the case a bit too large and they should have included wireless charging. The button controls are okay and would have preferred touch controls. These are also sweat and water resistant, but they don't specify a specific IP rating. Now let's talk about the sound. It was a bit underwhelming for me across the board. It definitely has more bass than the AirPods, which is a step in the right direction, but I would have preferred a bit more punch. Mids and highs were comparable to the AirPods. It comes in very loud and clear. Vocals and instruments come in strong. But there were times I felt that it got muddy with the bass. For this price point of $250, I would have expected more from what I have mentioned. These are just okay for me. And there are definitely better and cheaper alternatives out there, as I have covered in my previous videos. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.